Good morning, Fletcher. I'm Jack, and FNN is your weekly source of Fletcher news. Today is Grand Friends Day for our lower school students. Here's some videos from our student body.
So just shave the skin off and then put some salt on it and then put it in the oven and cook it.
Should I turn my oven on first?
No, you should shave it first, and then after you put it on a pan, and then when you put it in, then turn it on.
What temperature do I turn the oven to? How many degrees?
Probably 7.
7 degrees?
7 degrees.
And how long do I cook my turkey?
For about
8 minutes or 8 hours?
8 minutes and a half.
Ooh, okay. And you said I put salt on it. Does it need any other spices?
When it's done, you can put some sauce on it and then get it ready for your visitors.
Fantastic. Thank you. What else would you cook for your Thanksgiving meal?
So you would make some cornbread, some vegetables, and maybe some pie for like a treat. And that's all.
What kind of pie would you cook?
Probably the best pie on the whole planet is apple pie.
Sounds tasty. What vegetables would you choose?
Oh, I would choose zucchini, broccoli, and the other vegetables is corn, and that's all.
Yes. Can I come to your house for Thanksgiving? Thank you. Crew, is there anything special you would like to cook? Okay.
November is National Gratitude Month. The question of the week is, what are you grateful for?
My name's Emma, and I'm thankful for my friends and family.
Thank you for sharing. So, the thing I'm most thankful for is my family, my friends. And along with that, I am thankful for the privilege of coming over to Fletcher and working with the students here. Because Fletcher is my home away from home.
Thank you for sharing, Miss Foster.
Certainly, my pleasure.
I'm Shepherd. I'm thankful for the food about Thanksgiving.
I'm Lincoln, and I'm thankful for my mom and my dad and my brother and my sister. I'm Noah, and I'm thankful for my house.
Thank you for sharing.
Hi, I'm Miss Coletta. I'm thankful for my family, my dog, and my students.
Thank you for sharing.
I'm thankful. My name's Harrison, and I'm thankful for my dog.
My name's Sonia, and I'm thankful for my grandparents.
Thank you for
My
sharing.
name's Davis Berger, and I am most thankful for my parents.
I'm thankful to be here at Fletcher, and there are a lot of exciting things happening around Fletcher. Please stand to pledge allegiance with some of our second graders.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty
it for this week. Enjoy your break.